Have you ever pondered over the awe-inspiring future of artificial intelligence? Well, buckle up, for we're plunging deep into this fascinating enigma. We're highlighting the revolutionary AI technology from Meta that's revamping the landscape of image editing and text-to-video generation. Notably, we will also be introducing EMU, Meta's latest generative AI research milestone, setting new standards in the realm of AI. It's quite an exhilarating journey. Imagine this. You type a sentence and just like magic, it's transformed into a captivating video. Or, you modify an image a few easy clicks. This isn't some science fiction fantasy, it's the reality of today, all thanks to EMU's AI-powered technology. So, how does the EMU function? It's a 3-act ballet. Firstly, it beckons your input onto the stage, whether it's a line of text or an image. Secondly, input pirouettes through the complex choreography of an algorithm, a ballet refined by enormous quantities of data. Lastly, it spins this processed data into a breathtaking output, tailor-made just for you. Whether it's a video clip or a retouched image, EMU has got it all handled. Here's the highlight. EMU, this AI, not your everyday machine. It constantly evolves, learning from every single interaction, enhancing its accuracy and efficiency with each use. Think of it as personal assistant, but one that tirelessly improves without even stopping for a coffee break. EMU, the AI in question, has some impressive capabilities. Its main prowess lies in its ability to convert text into video and edit images with expert precision. Noteworthy is its learning capability, with each use only sharpening its intelligence. EMU is indeed a reservoir of unexplored potential, marking it as a pivotal game-changer. As we march forward into this groundbreaking epoch, the main discourse isn't what AI is capable of, rather it's about its limitations. With innovative technologies such as EMU, opening up a world of limitless possibilities. And you know what the best part is? We're just at the dawn of this exciting journey.